Hi guys, I have a large art supply haul. First package is from AliExpress, and it is a set of white gel pens. Well, it's one gel pen and then a whole bunch of refills for the pen. Hopefully this works. I'll test it out in another video. I can't remember how much that was. Then I got a set of metallic markers. There they are there. And I did a swatch. Where did it go? I squashed it. But I'll put up on the screen what they're supposed to look like. And this is what they ended up looking like. Totally not the same. This came from AliExpress. They had the exact same brand looking box on Amazon, but AliExpress was cheaper, and they look like the same pens, but they just aren't very bright. They've only got one side, and you could either get the round nib or a brush tip. I got a round nib. I'm not really sure why I got the round nib, but they're not as bright. I would never buy these again. We'll see how I'm sure I'll be able to use them, but they really were not as advertised, so I'm kind of disappointed about that. Then, okay, I received some paint, and the box, as you can see, was split open, and there were tubes, these guys, missing. It's a metallic paint set. So I'll test these out on another video. But they're the regular 2 fluid ounce size. I just can't believe that a seller would send this out with a broken box and not even check to make sure that it was complete. Then AliExpress again. I picked up this cute set. I already opened this. Whoops. It comes with a whole set of brushes. This one I took out to have a look at the bristles, but once you take it out, it's really hard to get it back inside. It has a palette knife. And just a bunch of nice variety of tips, all different tips. Let's see if that's showing up. It's probably not showing up, I'm not sure. Anyways, that's really nice. And oh, it just fell off it again. I'll test these out, but this is I love this because it's lined with plastic, so it's somewhat easy to clean. This is a kind of nylon canvas type, so it'd be easy to wipe off, and it's a great set to travel with. If you're going somewhere and you want to take your paint set with you. And the variety of brushes, the tips is amazing. So that was a nice set to get. Okay, now got this. Okay, where's my knife? Got a set of Ohuhu watercolor paper pads. It just tells you, comes with a little tool to be able to peel off the paper once you're finished a painting. It's a nice size, 9 by 12 inches. I like how this is all covered up. It looks pretty good. Second set, very nice. Yeah, that's, I got it on sale, so I was pretty happy about that. Oops. Now, this box is too big. I don't know why they put everything in such huge boxes. Come on now. Okay, I got some black Astro Brights cardstock. I got another watercolor pad, Canson. This was pretty cheap. This one's perforated, but I wanted to have two different types, even though I've got a shit ton upstairs. Another box. A box within a box. Okay, this one looks like it's, I don't know, it might have been opened before. This was another, everything I got was on sale. Got a set of black drawing sketchbooks. How many pages are in each? 38 sheets. Yeah, this another sale. Stocked up on paper. So, Ohuhu is coming up with all kinds of stuff. Let's see here. Tells you how to. Okay, so it looks like it's got. Yeah, it's easy tear pages. That's good. I mean, not everybody wants that, but that's nice to have if you finish something you really like and you want to frame it or give it away or whatever. And I think that's it. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day.